Hey guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to bring you just a quick little video on my new favorite way of applying and wearing foundation. So what I've been doing for like the past week now, because my skin's been so dry because the humidity's been so low, is that I've been adding a drop of oil into my foundation and then applying that. And it's left my skin feeling so much healthier and looking so much healthier because before that, my skin was just looking really dry and I didn't like that. So since adding a drop of oil into my foundation, my skin's just looked a lot like healthier and glowier and not dry even throughout the day as the makeup like melts and settles on the skin. So I wanted to bring that to you and I hope that you guys like this video. So please keep watching if you want to see how I do my new little foundation routine. So my face is already prepped. I applied my oils and my serums and my eye creams and I did my eyebrows. So now I'm going to do my foundation, which I've started doing a little bit differently. Now I take my foundation and I add a drop of oil in it, and I just started doing this like last week because my skin has been so dry lately because it's like the humidity here has only been in like the upper 20s, like so like 29% humidity or like something crazy like that. And when it's super dry here, my skin just like hates it. So I started adding just a drop of oil to my foundation, whether it be my Face Atelier one or my Beauty Blender foundation, even my Vapor Beauty foundation. I add just a drop of oil to everything and it's been like such a life changer. So I'm going to show that to you today in case you want to try it out for yourself and see if adding a drop of oil would make your foundation a little bit smoother and more natural and like dewy looking. So today I'm going to show you this technique with my Face Atelier foundation. This is in the shade number 3 Wheat. So what I do is I just take a little, like a half a pump, so like that much, not very much at all, maybe like just like over a pea-sized amount. You can add any face oil like argan oil or jojoba, any face oil that you have. So today I'm going to use the Honua Olena oil, and I really like this one because it helps a lot with my eczema, which is why my skin is so red. So I just take a drop of that and I add it to my oil. I also use the glycerin one for this too. So it looks like that, you know, it kind of starts to separate around the oil, but then I just mix it all together. And I start by applying it with my finger. And you can, you know, apply this starting with your finger and blending it out and then go over it with like a beauty blender. Or what I've also been doing is taking this Hakuhodo brush. This is the J116 that I just got from IMAT, and it's like a really beautiful blending brush, and so I just blend out the foundation with this and it leaves like a really like nice finish. So I'll take some on my finger and I'll wipe it on my face, and then I just blend it out with this brush. And I've really been liking how it turns out. Like, not only does it like even out my skin, but then it also stays really nice throughout the day. Like, I've noticed that I mean, with the Face Atelier foundation in general, or the Beauty Blender one, like my foundation stays nice looking throughout the day. But then when I add a drop of oil, it just keeps my skin like really like fresh looking. And I really like that because a lot of times with my eczema and when it's dry, my skin just looks dry and it like feels dry. Whereas when I add the oil into the foundation, then it just like leaves it really soft and keeps it like healthy looking, you know? And if you notice, I had a lot of redness on my chin and my cheeks. That's where my eczema is. And so I like to cover that up just a little bit more. But it really leaves the skin just looking really nice. I have been a huge fan of doing this lately. Like every day pretty much I add a drop of oil into my foundation. And I've really been loving this brush too. Like, I was a little scared to use it at first because it's so white and beautiful, and I was like, I don't want to ruin it. But it's such a nice brush. It's so soft. It's like not pokey or scratchy or anything like that. And it really does a great job at applying foundation. I don't mind having a little bit of redness left in my skin. I mean, I'm a red person, like I've said in previous videos. And it's not worth it to me to just like try to cover it all up because then that's not me, you know? I just, you know, my philosophy with makeup is like just enhancing your features, not like completely masking them. So I like to do a really natural foundation because it shows what your skin is, it shows who you are, and like it's fine to cover up imperfections, but to cover up your whole face, that's just like so weird to me. So anyways, enough of that. So let me come in closer so you can see my skin through this. It does cover up, you know, a lot of the redness, but it's still like skin. It's not like cakey, it's not thick, like it doesn't feel heavy on your skin at all. So I really like that. And then I'll go in with my concealer. So I'm gonna use the Josie Maran Vibrancy Concealer, which is nice because this has oil in it as well. And I'll just apply a little down here. And then that just brightens up my face a little bit, so I like doing that because my under eyes have been a little bit dark lately because my allergies have been acting up, and so, which is why my eczema is acting up, which is why my face has been like so dry because of the wind and humidity and all that. So anyways, just blending that out, and this brush just does like such a great job blending it out. Like you don't see any lines there, everything's just like smooth and blended, and I really like that. Actually, I forgot a little pimple over here that I wanted to cover. Okay, so see, my skin has evened out a lot. There's still redness, but I'm totally fine with the amount that's on there now. But my skin looks a lot more even and it feels really healthy. It doesn't feel like heavy with foundation or makeup on, you know? Like sometimes foundations leave that like heavy feeling, but when you add a drop of oil to it, it just like smooths it all out and it doesn't feel heavy and it doesn't feel greasy either. It's not gonna make you greasy. If anything, it's gonna help even and balance out your skin throughout the day, which is what I've noticed. I mean, I don't care if I start to get a little bit oily because I like the like shininess. If I get too shiny, like I'll put a little bit of powder on, but I don't really mind getting a little bit shiny. But what I've noticed throughout the day when doing the drop of oil in with the foundation is I just look like natural. I don't look overly shiny, I don't look dry. Like sometimes throughout the day, like if you're putting on just like a thicker foundation, your skin can look dry or cakey. This doesn't make it look like that at all. So I've been really like pleasantly surprised by adding oil into my foundation. It sort of makes it like a tinted oil, I guess you could say. So I've really been enjoying that. And then so after I've done my foundation and concealer, then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of powder. So I like to use the RMS Tinted Unpowder. This is in 01. And this powder is really great because it helps to like take away too much shine, but it keeps your skin looking natural and still fresh looking. So I just pat a little bit on because my skin's already dry and I don't want to dry it out more than it needs to be. So I just like to apply a little bit of powder like in areas where I want to set the foundation. So like under my eyes, I like to set over my eyelids to sort of, you know, like set my eyelashes before applying mascara. And then just a little bit on my cheeks, but not much. and then just on my chin and around my nose and mouth. And then see how like just natural that looks? Like I really like that. And so then now I'm going to apply the rest of my face. So my blush, bronzer, highlight, mascara, and I will be right back. Alright, so I am back with my makeup all done for the day. Yeah, it's just like something super simple, super easy to incorporate into your makeup routine. I really love the way that this oil plus foundation combo feels on my skin. I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it like lasts throughout the day, and it just sort of like naturally just like melts into the skin, and I really love that. I'll come back in so you can see what it looks like, but nothing's like settling into lines. It's just like really natural looking, and it's just like so beautiful. I really love doing this now. I'm like so excited that I like became a little makeup chemist and like played around and figured this out, because I really like it. I mean, I'm sure people have done it like forever, but I only figured it out for myself, so I just wanted to share it with you guys in case you haven't tried adding oil into your foundation and are having trouble with some dry skin right now during winter, and I feel like this will be really helpful. So yeah, so I wanted to make this quick little video to show you guys that. Have you tried adding oil into your foundation, or do you plan on trying that? If so, let me know in the comments if you've tried it or plan on trying it, because I would love to know, and I'd love to know your feedback on if you tried it and what your skin was like and how you felt about it. So if you try it, let me know, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notifications button, which will let you know every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you have a really great day, whatever day it is that you're watching it, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!